So, hello everybody, and welcome back to the Math Puzzle Crash Course. Just wanted to do a really simple video here. I wanted to explain one of the decent resources out there for solving problems. If you don't have a scientific calculator or calculator on hand that solves some of these viral problems, especially the ones that have multiple operations, you can go to Wolfram Alpha. It's www.wolframalpha.com, and you can come in here and enter these problems in. One of the common ones is 50 plus 50. There it is. It comes up. It already has it known in here. I think this is one of the common viral problems that people look at, and you can just enter that in. Hit the equal sign if you want to, and it'll show you the answer. And this tells you right here the result is 104. All right. So if you want to, you can, looks like you can download the page. And I have not actually tried doing that before, but there's some related queries, I guess similar problems that come up. You can also click on this little feature over here, the step-by-step solution. And I will admit, it's not super detailed. They claim that if you want to unlock the full solution, you have to go pro, which I don't know if that's always been there. Maybe it has. I haven't not been to the site for a while, but if you do look at the step-by-step solution they give you, they tell you that step one would be to simplify. And there's a hint here saying that any number times 0 is 0, which is true. And the only multiplication you have here is the minus 25 times 0 in this problem. So, we're 0 minus 25, however you want to solve it. But that's equal to 0. And all you're left with is 50 plus 50 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2. Or it could be it could be minus 0. It doesn't matter. Adding 0, subtracting 0 is the same thing. So the answer is 104. You just got to remember the order of operations and the fact that, multiplication always has precedence over addition and subtraction. So we've got, there's some other viral problems, and these are some of the same ones that I've worked out on my calculator recently. Let's see, that's not going to solve that way. I think I have to probably enter multiplication that way. Let's see, how do I enter it? Oh, yeah, okay, it does recognize it. So this is another viral problem, the 50 plus 10 times 0 plus 7 plus 2. Again, the correct answer is 59. I see a lot of people answer 9. Some people will answer 0. Some people have answered 69. But again, multiplication has precedence. 10 times 0 is 0. Now, when they go through the step by step, they're saying 0 times 10. It really doesn't matter. 10 times 0 and 0 times 10 both give you 0. And then you're left with 50 plus 0 plus 7 plus 2 is 59. So again, Wolfram Alpha is a pretty decent site to try. There are some other ones out there too. I think Mathway might be one. And of course, on your computer, you actually have a calculator. So you have a calculator app on your computer. Just want to make sure it's in scientific mode when you're using that. But hope this has been helpful. Just wanted to make a really quick one. And hey, I look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.